stellar wholesale line sheet. Hi guys, I'm Syama, CEO of Scaling Retail, and if you are interested in selling to retailers, then having a wholesale line sheet is an essential must. Now, when you're putting together a line sheet, you've got to make sure you understand the intent of a line sheet. Now, when a wholesale buyer is taking a look at this document, they're simply wanting to take a look at some very key factors. They want to take a look at the prices, the wholesale price, your suggested MSRP, which is your manufacturer's suggested retail price. They want to see key things in there, like what's it made from? What is the shape and the style of it? Certainly you're going to be showing that through images, hopefully some amazing photography, but they don't just want to see your lookbook images, they'll actually also want to see the product shots. Maybe they're ghosted shots, maybe they're product flats, maybe they're CADs, but you want to make sure they can actually see the silhouettes. Sometimes when you include just images from a lookbook shoot, which are really the beautiful, emotional, evocative images, and you put those in a line sheet, it can be a little bit difficult for a buyer to be able to understand exactly how the garment looks, because in a lookbook it's been styled. That's why when you do your wholesale outreach and your pitching, people will tend to include both a lookbook and a line sheet. One that's going to tell the emotional story side, the other that's going to tell the more practical side. Now, in your line sheet, you definitely can include things like your delivery windows. So delivery windows are simply the timing and the time frame that you'll be shipping your product. Sometimes people have delivery windows that are 4 weeks long. So the way that you would write that is, I'm going to be shipping this product between, let's say, April 15th and May 15th. Or your delivery windows might be a little bit shorter, in which case you might have a 2-week turnaround period. Now, this is very important. Your delivery window tells your retailers when that cutoff date is, meaning the date, the final date that they should be expecting to see product from you. After that window, if your products do not arrive at the retailer, it's likely they may opt to cancel or try to get a discount because your product is late. So this means, guys, you need to be very clear on your back end in terms of your production calendar of when you can actually deliver the goods. Now, a line sheet is very different from your wholesale purchase order, right? Your purchase order is going to be the final summation of all of the products that you're selling to them, the actual quantities, the cost, the shipping, all of that. Keep your line list really short and clean. Make sure it has all the details, whether that's your fabric content, where it's been produced, price points, again, kind of what the product actually looks like as opposed to just your beautiful lifestyle images, and make sure it has your contact information. I cannot tell you how often I've seen brands that do not have contact information and simply assume that that person's going to print out that information and be able to just respond to that email. So do make sure you have that. In addition to that, you can include your Instagram information so they can get some social proof and see just how successful you are with your direct-to-consumer business and your social proof online. Very important stuff, guys. Good luck with putting together your line sheets. I would love to help you with them. Make sure you send us an email at hello@scalingretail. We do a ton of different selling tools, help a lot of our clients get ready to go to market, review your line sheets, and make sure that you are heading on the right track to be able to close that sale. After all, you'd want a former buyer to be able to help you pitch to buyers, right? Well, you're in the right company, because I used to be a former at Barney's. I ran a division at Gucci. A lot of the people on our team come from major wholesale and showroom backgrounds. So guys, you are in great hands. Leave us a comment below. Make sure you follow us at Instagram at Scaling Retail. And I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.